Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Maintaining your Dyson SV12 vacuum is crucial for ensuring its longevity and performance. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of checking and maintaining the motor, especially focusing on warranty considerations. Let's dive in. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a soft brush, a vacuum cleaner attachment for dusting, and some microfiber cloths. These tools will help us access the motor and clean it effectively. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV12. Safety first. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum near the motor housing. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Be sure to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover. This will expose the internal components. Here, dust and debris can accumulate over time, impacting the motor's efficiency. Using your soft brush, carefully clean any dust buildup around the motor. If you notice any larger debris, use the vacuum attachment to remove it. Now, let's talk about warranty. If you're unsure about performing these steps or if you'd like a professional touch, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can ensure your vacuum is in top shape without any hassle. After cleaning, check the motor's condition. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, you can reassemble the vacuum. Place the motor cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you encounter any issues or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without the need for calls or travel. Once reassembled, plug in your Dyson SV12 and test it out. Make sure it's running smoothly. If it's not performing as expected, it might be time for a more in-depth inspection. Remember, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect before any work is done. In summary, regular maintenance of your Dyson SV12 motor is essential for optimal performance. With the right tools and a little care, you can keep your vacuum running efficiently. However, if you're unsure at any stage, our professional services are always available to help, ensuring you get the best out of your vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.